What is ventilation? Let's understand ventilation. Consider a group of persons working in a room. We can see that there is no window in the room and the door of the room is closed. Here the persons sitting will feel suffocation because no outside air moves inside the building and gets distributed. Now, if the windows are provided as shown, then outdoor air moves into a room and distributes the air within the building or room. This is known as ventilation. The purpose of ventilation in buildings is to provide healthy air for breathing and diluting the pollutants originating in the building. Ventilation in the room is affected by windows, doors, exhaust fan, air conditioners, etc. Building ventilation has three basic elements: ventilation rate, the amount of outdoor air provided into the space and the quality of the outdoor air. Airflow direction. The overall airflow direction in a building should be from clean zones to dirty zones. Air distribution or airflow pattern. The external air should be delivered to each part of the space in an efficient manner. Thus, ventilation moves outdoor air into a building or a room and distributes the air within the building or room. The related term is